Hey all, it's me Kevin. So I've got a confession to make. Right now, I've completely lost all motivation and desire to create YouTube videos. Before this, I was literally sitting at my desk for over 2 hours trying to find a topic, trying to plan for my next video, trying to prepare for my next video, and I ended up either staring at my computer or watching YouTube videos. Now, I'm not burnt out, or maybe I am, I don't know, but right now I feel really stuck because my channel grew to where it is right now because of one topic, and that topic is how to grow YouTube channel topic. But I know for sure that at some point there's only so much I can share about how to grow your YouTube channel, and I'm reaching that point right now. I was contemplating on what to talk about in my next YouTube video because I felt lazy, because I feel that I actually want to talk about more than just how to run a YouTube channel. I want to talk about how to run a business. I want to talk about money. I want to talk about personal development. I want to talk about growing your side hustle. And yet it feels like if I were to try to talk about anything other than growing your YouTube channel, then it is just not going to help my channel grow or move forward. And I think this is where most YouTubers tend to get tired, because I now realize that whatever content we are creating, we are only creating it for the sake of the algorithm. That is, if we want to grow our YouTube channel, then we need to start creating videos that people are searching for. And to chase the algorithm is, frankly speaking, very tiring. Now, I can just start another channel to talk about random things, but honestly, I don't think my channel is big enough to even do that. And I don't think there's any need to, because this channel was never meant to be talking about how to get more views, how to get more subs, or how to grow your YouTube channel, or anything YouTube related. I was just talking about YouTube because my passion lies in helping others do what they do best, and I try to offer advice to help them grow their side hustle. YouTube just so happened was the audience I click with just because I myself am going through the YouTube journey. The whole idea of talking about YouTube as a side hustle is I wanted to show everyone that if you want to live a life that you have control over, where you aren't tied down to just your job, then you really need to start doing something. And it doesn't have to be YouTube. It can be anything you like, anything you have passion for. My videos on showing you how I grow my channel, all the mistakes I make, and all the things I tried. The main reason behind this is I want my viewers to take responsibility for what they want to achieve. Whether you are into real estate or stock investments or building apps or playing the piano or creating educational videos or even having a job. Whatever it is, it always comes down to two things: analysis and problem solving. Whatever you do in life, it is always these two things. In real estate, it is about knowing the location, knowing how to negotiate, knowing how to get the best deal. In apps, it is knowing how to build the product and knowing how to market the product. In stocks, it is about knowing the markets, knowing when it's the right time to go in, knowing how to analyze a good stock. You see, YouTube is no different. The problem here is always about getting more views and getting more subscribers, and to solve that problem, you need to know how to analyze your channel and then implement some solutions. And the thing is, every channel is different. It is all about how you learn to go through all these problems and solve them one at a time. And frankly speaking, that's how we become successful in anything we do. It's our ability to solve problems on our own using what we learn. You will never be successful if you were to follow someone's advice step by step. I mean, I never truly believe that, because if something goes wrong, then I tend to have an excuse to say that it is not my fault. It is that person who gave me the advice that is wrong. So this is what I'm afraid of. I don't want you to get this out of my channel. I want my videos to be able to open up your mind, that you can achieve whatever you want if you put your heart and soul into it. But at the same time, you need to be realistic as well, because that's how the world works. Nothing is certain. Whatever strategies I'm sharing with you that helped me grow my channel may not work for you when you try to grow your channel. But if you understand the message I'm trying to say, then you can take that message and turn it into your own, and you start growing on your own. Right now, I'm doing an extremely bad job at opening up my viewers' minds. And also, I feel that whilst it is fun to create those how-to YouTube videos, I feel that there will come a point where I'm not even sure what to talk about anymore. Hence, I would like to change my direction a little and just try to show you that running a YouTube as a side hustle is actually no different than running any side hustles. The way I manage my channel, the way I grow my channel, the way I see my mistakes, they are the same things I would do if I were to do any other side hustles, including running my mobile apps business. Because to be perfectly honest with you, I got to where I am today is because I decided that problems are meant to be solved, and running away won't get me far. This is why I show you real emotion and hardship when going through this YouTube journey. It is fun, but it is also very tiring at the same time, just like anything we do. And in the end, it is just about how strong our mindset is. And I want to help you build a strong mindset. Then you can use that strong mindset to do whatever you want. You don't need someone to guide you all the time, and you can finally rely on yourself to achieve success whenever you want. So what's now? Moving forward, I'm going to try and blend in a mix of YouTube related videos with non-YouTube related videos by finding a common message in them, which is most likely the mindset and thinking, as that is going to be one of the most important attributes any humans can have. I reckon that way I can reach out to different audiences out there and help out more people who aren't just interested in starting a YouTube channel. Come to think of it, it sounds like I want to be a personal growth or a personal development coach. But yeah, I think my aim here is to help you out more in personal development by showing you my own growth when I run my YouTube channel. I hope I can make that message a lot more clear, and I hope my future videos can inspire you more. So anyways, thank you for listening. It definitely helped me feel better. I'll probably head off to find my next topic for my next YouTube video. So I'll see you again. Take care and chat with you soon. See ya.